Cloud computing is transforming the way we do business, making IT more efficient and cost-effective. But it's also opening companies up to new types of cyber threats. Today, it's not a matter of if, but when. Mary is going on a cruise and notices the cruise line's website offers an image-sharing mobile application that is hosted on a cloud. The app will let her access her itinerary, track her trip, and share her vacation images with friends over social networks. However, after a week on board, Mary begins to feel a little uneasy, and it's not seasickness. Many of her friends have complained to her that they were spammed after viewing photos she shared via the cruise line app. She complains to the cruise director. Meanwhile, back on shore, the cruise line's development team is already aware of the problem and is working to rectify it. So how could a cruise line know about this type of breach before the users themselves are aware? And what measures can they take to both alleviate any current problems and prevent them from happening again? The best defense? A security incident response team that can quickly take whatever steps are needed to thwart attacks and restore system health. This team is on point to guard the cloud, armed with the latest software and security technology. They can tackle the full gamut of security issues through 3 important steps: monitoring data, gaining visibility in the cloud, and managing access. Let's look at monitoring data. Danielle is the cruise line's data security analyst. Her cloud data activity monitoring system notifies her that there's something fishy going on. But the system doesn't just flag a set list of threats. It can detect new types of possible security threats. It uses advanced machine learning techniques to build detailed models of normal system behavior and flags any deviations to these models, assessing the risk in each deviation. This, combined with built-in insights around known hacking techniques, enables the system to rapidly detect unusual user and database activity. Danielle goes to Ian, the enterprise security analyst. Ian is able to provide her with the detail needed to gain visibility in the cloud. He monitors all the traffic going in and out of the cloud using a variety of sophisticated software or virtualized software appliances. It detects multiple suspicious events we call offenses. All this activity is collected and analyzed within the cloud to work out not only what is happening, but who is responsible for the offense. The system basically looks for patterns. It will correlate perhaps millions of events as it searches for suspicious patterns that deviate significantly from normal system behavior. It provides the visibility to quickly pinpoint and identify the hacker's credentials. In this case, Ian and Danielle quickly realized that a group of hackers has compromised a team member's password and used it to access the cloud management console. From there, they were able to create unauthorized administrator accounts, which then introduced the malware that created the spam. To address this issue, the incident response team can remove the new administrator roles created by the hackers and change all cloud credentials and passwords. These measures thwart the hackers' malicious activity by shutting down their privileged access. To prevent further cloud breaches, Ian finally talks to Annika, the identity and access architect. Annika's job is to manage access. She uses a privileged identity management system, or PIM, that controls access to the critical cloud resources that store confidential and sensitive information. The PIM uses a method of checking fresh credentials in and out each time the system that Annika manages is accessed. This adds an extra layer of security for users who have the high level of access to this confidential information. All of these steps are crucial, particularly when you consider that a typical organization has 785 different cloud applications in use. But surprisingly, on average, they only know about 60 of them. The rest of the apps are unknown and unsanctioned. Security is a journey, not a destination. Security intelligence monitors data, gains visibility, and manages access in order to evolve and respond to the ever-changing world of the cloud.